All right, guys, we are getting ready to core a pineapple. So I thought I would show you how we do it. We have a pineapple corer. What is this? Corer. So you just cut the top of your pineapple off.
And you can take that part and stick it in the ground and it'll grow again.
It did down in Florida. One of the neighbors did it down there. Okay, so now you just take this, put it right in the center. Usually I do it in my sink where I have some more leverage. But then you just turn it. Press down a little bit while you're turning it.
Nothing like fresh pineapple.
Oh, no. And when you get so far, it'll stop when you hit the bottom. Ooh, I'm squeezing out some of the juice.
Oh,
Yum.
that's the good stuff.
Yeah.
Pineapple upside down cake.
Okay, we're at the bottom. Now, you're supposed to be able, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Just kind of wiggle this out and it'll come straight up. I'm not doing it today. So, we're just going to cut this. And pull that out. Maybe. I'm having more trouble than I normally do. Come on. There we go. And there we go. And then you just take the handle off. Up here. Maybe. I gotta push in both of them at the same time. And pull that off.
Just like that. Look how easy that was.
Yeah. Easy.
I didn't have no problem at all.
Yeah. I didn't either. But here's a little bit. I went a little bit too far on that one side. But it cuts it into like these rings. Look at that. Perfect.
Looks like a slinky, don't it?
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it. I didn't think I'd have any trouble, but I had a little bit. But it's a lot easier than trying to cut all this off and wasting it. You don't waste anything. The core is right there. So you can push that out, whatever you want to do with it. Some people cut it up and you can fry it. Billy said he wanted some grilled pineapple, so we'll see what happens. If he gets out there to do it. At 111 degree.
You can grill it right there in the skillet.
Okay. All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.